Hello, student. How are you? This is Mr. Parlin speaking. Today, in this video, we will learn about animal at the zoo. Pernahkah kalian mengunjungi kebun binatang? Binatang apa saja yang kalian lihat? Now let's see this animal. What is this? This is an elephant. What is this? This is a lion. Now, can you guess what animal is this? This is a kangaroo. How about this one? What is this? Can you guess it? This is a zebra. What's that on the tree? This is a monkey. How about this? This is a tiger. Okay, next. What is that? This is a penguin. What is this? This is an ostrich. Now you have learned about some animals. Can you read it one by one? Don't forget to write down on your notebook 10 animals that you know. Jangan lupa tuliskan di buku catatan kalian 10 binatang yang kalian ketahui. Do you have any question, kids? Ada pertanyaan? Kalau ada, just contact me at this number. Hubungi Pak Parlin di nomor berikut. Okay, I think that's all for our lesson today. Thank you for your attention on this video, and I'll see you on the next time. Don't forget to keep study and stay healthy, people. See you!